Hello everybody, hope you all are well. In this video we are going to study about don't care condition under K-map. Okay, so I have taken different examples over here to explain you how to use don't care condition when needed. Okay, let us see the first question. F is equal to summation of mean term 0, 1, 3, 7, 15 plus summation of D 2, 11, 12. If you're getting a question like this, you have to find out the highest number of number value. Okay, so using this summation of M side as well as summation of D side. So altogether I am seeing both these sides and finding 15 is the highest. That means it's a 4 variable K-map, right? You know how to find out the number of variables. So still I am repeating this one. So it's 4 variable K-map. So I plotted a 4 variable K-map over here. Okay, using my gray code and the variables, right? Now I will put the values for the first one 0, 1, 3, 7, 15. I have implemented the values of 0, 1, 3, 7, 15 in this graph. Okay. Now next I am having the don't care part 2, 11 and 12. So this don't care I have to implement over here. How to implement the don't care? The don't care will be marked as cross mark, right? So you can see what this 2 value, that is 2 is what 0, 0, 1, 0. ABCD sequence to be maintained. So you can see 0, 0 I have taken and 1, 0 I have taken. So 0, 0, 1, 0 is 2. So for this box is 2. So for this 2 box I have given a cross mark over here. Similarly for 11 and 12 I had given a cross mark over here and over here. 11 is this one, 12 is this one. Okay, now it's not mandatory to take all the don't care. Okay, the point is that you should consume all the ones and the rule should be followed, that is octet, quad, pair and single. Okay, and in order to form octet, pair, quad and single, quad and pair and single, so if you need some don't care, you can include don't care. Okay, see this case, these boxes are kept empty just to make you not make you confused. So in the examination you will put these boxes as 0. Okay, don't keep it empty, right? Now over here you see I have 3 ones over here, but I cannot make octet, I cannot make quad. But if I consider this don't care as a 1, I can make it quad. So I will consider this don't care as a 1 and I will form a quad. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, what is the importance of don't care? Okay, then once I have done this, I am having 2 ones left with me. Okay, with these 2 ones I can form a pair. But if I consider this don't care as a 1 and I can take help of this one, I can make a quad. So I made it a quad. Okay, because we know that if I go for a pair, I'll be getting more number of literals compared to a quad. So I'm making a quad over here. Okay, and this don't care is not required, so I'm leaving it as it is. So from here I'm getting like min term from here and min term from here, horizontal, one vertical. So joining these two min term, I'm getting a final equation. You know how to get the min terms. I'm not explaining that further. If you want to know how to get the min terms, you can refer my old videos. Okay. Now coming to question number 2, summation of mean term 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Again don't care is given 5, 14, 15. Highest value is how much? Over here 13, but here 15. So I will go for the highest value 15. That shows that altogether. Okay, so it shows that 4 variable came up. I implemented that. I implemented the values, min term equation so 1, and for don't care cross mark, and then I'm looking for quad pair, octet, quad pairs and single. I am finding octet is not possible, so I am getting a quad over here. This blue line showing 1 quad using this 2 don't care. This is forming a pair with this don't care. This forming a pair with this don't care, and this is forming a pair. Okay, empty boxes you should fill 0 in examination. Okay, so I'll get 1 min term for this, 1 min term for this, 1 min term for this, 1 for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 min terms. How to get the min terms? You know very well. Okay, or you refer the old videos. Okay, of generating equation from K-map. Now coming to the third one, okay, you can see I have taken different question. There is pause equation I have taken, pi of m, values are given, dot pi of d. So this is a don't care condition in pause. So taking all together, I am finding 15. So highest value is 15, means 4 variable. I have taken a 4 variable map over here. For this values I have taken 0, and for this values cross mark. So this cross mark is common for summation of mean term as well as pi of m. Okay, but the cross mark will be considered in pi of m as 0. For summation of m it will be considered as 1. So over here you can see the cross mark over here. So for these 2 zeros I am considering all the cross mark as 0. So I am forming a octet over here. Okay, and for this 2 0 I am considering this 2 as zeros. Okay, I am forming an quad over here. Why I am not taking this 2 0? Because 6 is not allowed, either 8 or 4. So I am making a quad over here, and accordingly I have taken out the equation over here. Right. Now this empty boxes you will fill with ones. Okay, not 0 over here, because it's a pause term equation we will get over here, and this is an pause representation of K-map. Okay, so I hope the don't care condition is clear to you. Okay, thank you for watching my video.